Hello, Redditors! Today we're exploring a quick and fun tutorial on how to give your Reddit profile a personal touch by changing your avatar style. Whether you love minimalism or want something that really represents you, this 1-minute guide has you covered. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Reddit app or website and signing in to your account. Make sure you're using the latest version for the most up-to-date features. In the upper right corner, notice your profile icon. Click on it. By opening a new page, look for the Style Avatar option in the drop-down menu. Click on it. After opening the page, to the Edit option. Click. On the new page, you can see how your avatar looks right now. You have options for literally everything regarding avatars. The only thing left to do is to come up with what your avatar will look like. Finally, when you finish arranging your avatar, click on the Save option in the upper right corner of the screen, and then confirm. And there it is. You've successfully added a personal touch to your Reddit profile by changing your avatar style. Feel free to experiment and find a style that suits you. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Reddit avatar styling!